Welcome to Module 1. In this module, we will talk about different components of reading competency. These include phonemic awareness, phonetic knowledge, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. According to Shea, reading and writing complement each other. Being strong in one area results in improvement on the other. Children have to be introduced to letters and sounds first in order to understand and work with sentences, phrases, and stories. So children who have been exposed to literacy at an early age are more ready to start school. Interactive models are also mentioned in Chapter 1. These models provide children with opportunities to interact with other people in the target language. They do these by asking questions, participating in playful activities, and choosing literacy activities they feel comfortable with. The benefit of interactive models is that they better prepare young students for school. Literacy at home is also very important. When children are exposed to literacy at home, they have better opportunities to acquire literacy skills they will need to reach success in school. At school, it is important to have a curriculum that is appropriate for the age of the students. Young learners will benefit from both explicit and implicit instruction. It is very important that the adult understands and identifies the needs of the students to make sure the students benefit from the instruction. The materials the students are exposed to must also be appropriate not only for the age of the students, but also for their language skills. In other words, students should be exposed to materials they can understand and manipulate. As I have mentioned before, reading and writing go hand in hand. Classrooms that include both language processes have better chances to produce successful learners. When teaching writing, it is important that students are exposed to modeling, explanations, stimulation, feedback, and encouragement. Durkheim's 5 stages of early writing development are mentioned in Chapter 2. These stages explain in detail what children go through in order to develop writing skills. You will have a chance to see these stages in action when you do your observation. Think about these stages when you write your reflection. I encourage you to add information from our textbook. Children experiment with functions and forms of print on a daily basis. They pretend to write a list, to make a note to mom, or to write their own stories. Children will have better learning results if they are in a natural learning environment because they do not feel pressure. Children who are allowed to play with what they are learning about print have advantages in knowledge. In conclusion, it is important to build literacy at an early age. Children who are exposed to literacy skills instruction in a natural environment are better prepared to learn to write, to start school, and to build a rich vocabulary.